The Big Island of Hawaii, known for its untamed land, warm waters, and magnificent sunsets. Every corner of this ancient land is inhabited by exotic animals, colorful plants, and delicious fruit. Its people, steeped in an immersive and proud culture, a melting pot of ethnicity that spans through a rich and diverse history, where one's wealth is measured by the width of their smile and the respect they show for family, tradition, and the land itself. Travel to the east side of the Big Island, and you'll find yourself in the beautifully forested land of Volcano, a quaint, country-style town with famous landmarks such as the Volcano National Park. Here in the park, visitors from all over the world bear witness to one of nature's ultimate displays of beauty. Far from the dangers of the active volcano, down a peaceful and well-maintained road, you'll find the perfect space for you and your family in this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom ranch-style home, fully equipped with a detached 2-car garage, large open lanai, and more colorful plant life than you can imagine. The natural splendor that surrounds this home is truly breathtaking. The lanai is large enough to host all of your guests and offers an all-encompassing, immersive view of the surrounding forest. The inside of the home is open, bright, and inviting. The large windows and French doors allow the sun's light in. The vaulted ceilings make the open concept living area seem even larger. The bamboo flooring perfectly accent the home in tone. The kitchen is large, open, and efficiently designed, with new stainless steel appliances, custom design accents, and enough counter space for all your cooking requirements. The master bedroom is large, with a walk-in closet, more than enough square footage for all of your bedroom furniture. The master bath is eloquently designed as well. The guest bedrooms all have windows with views to the forest, and share the same open feeling as the rest of the house. The hallway bathroom has both a tub and a shower. The backyard of the home is well maintained and offers enough space for a variety of activities. The catchment tank is in good shape, and the entire property is fenced in with pig wire. So come see why this is the ultimate in country living, a true oasis in the jungle.